Skincare has become an important part in our daily life, and we all want clear, bouncy, hydrated, glowing skin. But is it really possible to get clear, glass-like skin? Many of us don't even properly know what we are doing in skincare. So I wanted to figure out how all of us can have a perfect skincare routine that gives us clear, glass-like skin within 30 days of consistent use. But there was an issue. We all have different skin types. So one perfect skincare routine that works for someone might not work for someone else. So I decided to have perfect skincare routines for literally each and every skin types. So at first, let's find out what your skin type is. There are 5 different skin types, and the most commons are oily and dry skin. Oily skin produces more sebum. So if your skin is oily around your T-zone, near your nose, around your eyes, on your cheeks and chin, then you must have oily skin. And I'm sure you get a lot of pimples. Dry skin is completely opposite. If your skin feels flaky or dull, then it's definitely dehydrated, hence making it tight. So you have dry skin type. Now the less common skin types are combination, sensitive and acne prone skin. If you get oiliness around your T-zone but your cheeks and chin are dry, then you must have combination skin. And if your skin gets irritated very easily, like having redness or small bumps, rashes kind of thing, then you must have sensitive skin. And lastly, the most challenging and frustrating skin type, acne prone skin. If you get acne, closed comedones or cystic breakout more frequently, then you must have acne prone skin like me. Now that you know what your skin type is, let's find out the perfect skincare routine that will give you glass-like skin in 30 days. Step 1. Cleansing. It's a basic yet very important step to get clear glass-like skin, as it unclogs our pores and removes all impurities like dirt, dust, pollution, makeup from our precious skin. Now let's find what kind of cleanser will be perfect for your skin type. Oily skin people should use gel-based cleanser that contains salicylic acid. Dry skin people should use hydrating cleanser that contains lactic acid. Combination skin people should use a gentle cleanser that balances the skin, containing AHA-BHA combo or salicylic acid and niacinamide combo. Sensitive skin people should use a fragrance-free hypoallergenic cleanser that soothes and calms the skin. Hyaluronic acid and ceramide-based cleansers are the best choice. Acne-prone skin should use a foaming face wash that helps with excess oil. A strong salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide will be perfect. You must cleanse your face 2 times a day. One in the morning right after you wake up and one at night after your dinner or before you go into your bed. Step 2. Hydrate. Yes, this is a very important step that will change your whole skincare game. So listen closely. After you are done with cleansing your face, your skin is completely wet, right? Don't wipe it with anything. No tissue, no towel, nothing. Just use your clean finger to remove excess water from your eyebrow, eyes, nose or wherever you are feeling uncomfortable with, and let the excess water sit on your skin. So don't wipe your skin with any tissue or towel and let it become damp. Now that your skin is damp, apply hydrating gel, cream or serum, whichever you find. Hyaluronic acid and snail mucin are the best choice. Applying them on your damp skin will deeply hydrate your skin. Hence, it will give you a healthy skin barrier. No matter what your skin type is, you want your skin barrier to be strong and hydrated. Step 3. Moisturization. This is where many people fail. It's 2024 and still most people think that moisturization is only for dry skin people, which is absolutely wrong. All skin type people need moisturization throughout the year. I know many of you will say, oh, moisturizer makes me all sweaty and greasy. It's because you're using the wrong one. Oily skin people should look for oil-free gel-based moisturizer. Creams are not for you, babe. You need to make gel your BFF. Go with hyaluronic acid, rice water or niacinamide based moisturizer. Now for dry skin people, you guys need a little heavy moisturizer as you want your skin barrier to be strong, and I know you guys have hard time dealing with that. So use a cream-based moisturizer with emollient, cica or ceramide as the main ingredient. For combination skin people, you guys should also use oil-free moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, because you can't take the chance to use creams as that can cause pimples. Sensitive skin people should use aloe vera based moisturizer more often throughout the day, as that's an anti-inflammatory ingredient that will soothe, calm and keep your skin moisturized without irritating your skin. And ceramide is also an ideal choice for you all. Lastly, for acne prone skin people, you guys must always check if your moisturizer is non-comedogenic or not. Make sure you only use oil-free non-comedogenic gel-based moisturizer. Moisturizer containing cica, hyaluronic acid or niacinamide are the best ones for us guys. Applying moisturizer every day will strengthen your skin barrier and will give you hydrated, juicy, bouncy skin, and that's exactly what we want. So never miss your moisturizer. Step 4. Protection. The most important step of a skincare routine is protection. If you miss this 4th step, then there is absolutely no benefit of following the other 3. All skin type people should use a broad spectrum sunscreen with minimum SPF 30 every single day if you want to have clear, glowing, glass-like skin. When we use active ingredients, our skin becomes more sensitive to the sun's UV rays. That means if the sun's harmful rays falls on your unprotected skin, then it will definitely cause dark spots, pigmentation, blemishes, and we don't want that. Using a sunscreen will protect the skin barrier from harmful UV rays and also prevent suntan and skin cancer. Oily or acne-prone skin type people should use a mattifying or gel-based sunscreen, but make sure it doesn't have silicone. Now, dry, combination and sensitive skin type people should go for a hydrating sunscreen that contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid or ceramide. Apply your sunscreen even if you are indoor, and if you are outdoor, then reapply your sunscreen every 4 hours. Now, let's be honest here. I know many of us are suffering from some skin issues, and along with strengthening our skin barrier to get glowing glass skin, we also need to solve these skin issues so that we can get clear glowing glass skin. Dark spots, pimples, acne, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, acne scars, fine lines, open pores, any of this can be the problem you are facing right now. So let's solve all these issues too. Use kojic acid, vitamin C or niacinamide based serum for treating skin issues of dark spots, pigmentation and acne marks. Use salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide or glycolic acid for active acne or pimples. Use retinol or tretinoin, which is a lot stronger form of retinol, for acne, acne scars, wrinkles, fine lines, open pores and textured skin. Now, it's important for you to know that introducing a serum which contains any of the active ingredients I mentioned will irritate your skin in the beginning. But don't worry, it's very normal. A very strong ingredient is being introduced to your skin for the first time. So your skin will take some time to adjust with it. Once adjusted, it will start working and reducing the skin issues it is being targeted to treat. Please bear with the purging phase as it can be little painful, like your skin becoming red or excessive dryness, or your skin flaking or peeling out or little acne breakout. Anything can happen during the purging phase, but don't worry, it's temporary, so bear with it. Consistency will definitely give you clear, glowing, glass-like skin. If you need to add this treatment part in your skincare regimen, then add it after step 2, which is hydration, and before step 3, which is moisturization. Now that I have given you a perfect skincare routine for your skin type, subscribe to my channel and comment done. Then write your skin type. If I get 200 comments for each skin type, I will create a detailed skincare routine video with perfect product recommendation that will definitely give you glass-like glowing skin within 30 days. I am Srishti Datta and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.